Meaning of dolphin.
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 Dolphin. A dolphin is a marine mammal that belongs to the cetacean family and is known for its high intelligence, social behavior, and playful nature. They are found in oceans and seas around the world and are particularly common in tropical and temperate waters. Dolphins feed on a variety of prey including fish, squid, and crustaceans. They use echolocation to navigate and communicate with each other underwater. Due to their friendly and charismatic nature, dolphins are a popular attraction for tourists in many parts of the world and are often featured in marine parks and aquariums.